If you want to test advanced AI feature for writing, research or productivity, then this video is for you. I will show you how to get and use Super Grok AI for free. Everything will be simple, honest and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
Tech Polestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I had created one account to Super Grok and 1,28,000 token. So for this video I will create another account. Just go to grok.com, then click on this sign up button. You can choose any one of them. Simply sign up with Google. Select one Gmail if you had logged in multiple Gmail account. Then click on this upgrade button. Here you can see start 7 days free trial. If you don't have card, then you can contact me on Instagram. I will give you card for Grok AI. Simply choose this card. Use your card. Click on start free trial. You can save the card also. Verify you are not a human. You can contact me on Instagram for any type of support or help. Here you can see your subscription is now active. You have unlocked. Click on this start using Super Grok. Now you can simply create videos or image. Here you can see videos option, image generation, generate multiple images, and everything will be unlocked for 7 days. So simply you can upload from your image or what you want to do. Upload a file and turn your image into video in a completely free. Let me show you this account. Go to subscription. Here you can see 1,28,000 token. And if you need another type of AI tool, then visit my website. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.